As you all know, we lost our founder and my father, Rex, last year. Rex dedicated his life to helping and empowering others by immersing himself in so many great causes across the world. Although we do not need anything to help us remember Rex, I am very excited to announce a rebrand of our dedicated charity, Forever Giving. From January 1st, Forever Giving will become the Rex Mon Forever Giving Foundation with a completely new updated look and feel. We are passionate about our partnership with the Rex Mon Forever Giving Foundation and look forward to seeing the good that can be done around the world. However, we can't do this alone. We need your help. Over the years, you have offered your time, talents, and resources to helping Forever Giving help others. As we all know, the needs across the world have only increased, and we all have so much more to do. We are grateful for any donation, and we ask that you do what you can whenever you can. To make it a little easier to contribute, I am excited to let you know of a new opportunity to give called Roundup for Rex. As you check out online, look out for the button Roundup for Rex, and it simply rounds up your order to the next dollar, euro, or shekel. And the difference is sent straight over to the Rex Mon Forever Giving Foundation. In the coming months, the foundation will be announcing various initiatives that will help you help them help others. All of us have learned so much from Rex, and his legacy will continue onwards and, of course, upwards. If there's one thing we've all learned from him, is that the power of forever is the power of love.